Hello and welcome everyone. In this particular video, I am going to discuss MPET examination 2021 for MPhil and PhD programs conducted by SGBU Amravati University, Amravati. So stay connected with us. So this is the first home page of Sant Gadge Baba Amravati University, Amravati MPET entrance examination. So this video is cover the complete process for the filling of application forms, important dates, information, fee structures, if and lastly about login. So from today, so the filling of application form is start. So this is the home page of sgbu.ac.in, particularly in the PhD cell. So so we will first see one by one. So what we have to do now? So for new applicants, we have to register through this registration button and log in with the required like email and your password. So first of all, the instruction to fill the online application form MPET 2021. So this form what are the requirements or what are the conditions particularly for the candidate should follow. So candidate must carefully read the instructions as per the ordinance of directions and ordinance. Okay, for a new user, online registration is available within this application form before the login. So the fee structure for this examination: for general category 1200 rupees, for reserve category 700 rupees, and for different able category nil, that is no fees for that. Okay, physically handicapped one can say. The mode of payment is only via what? Online mode. Okay, so we required that like online mode is required for this payment. Now what are the required documents for this examination? So must have the documents. First of all, photocopy of what marks or mark sheet, one can say master degree. Okay, and that is MSc, MA, MCom. Then second is photocopy of certificate for reserve category if it is in reserve. Also required as non-criminal for reserve category, and for physically handicapped the medical certificate is required. Now what are the instructions are there for filling this apply form? So it is only for apply online mode. We have to upload the scan image, passport size photograph, signature in 100 KB, and your mark sheet and other documents in 50 KB. So once the what application form is, and remember, only one application form is submitted by the candidate. If multiple forms are submitted, then it will be rejection is occurred now. Then after that filling this application form, we have to download it, save it and print it for the further reference. And the next step is what? Admission card is available within this 2 week from the last date of submission of online form. Then candidate is advised to select the correct faculty, like if Master of Science is there, so you should require that a particular subject. In that case, for MA again the particular subject is there, because this exam is what? Based on general aptitude plus your subject. Okay, candidate who is in final year examination, so then it required that qualifying degree, one can say. Okay, so it must be the candidate should fulfill the criteria, that is eligibility criteria. Okay, neither the cancellation the chance of what cancellation. Then candidates are not required to submit any documents to the university after that filling application form. One more important: incomplete application or without uploading any required documents, so that will be rejection in your form. So must be remembered this point. Okay, So these are the some instructions. Again we have four number point is given. So whatever your exams, whatever your medium you choose now, so in that form your exam will be conducted. So entrance examination will be conducted as per your language. In case of any grievance and at the center or dispute during the examination process, the decision of the university shall be final and binding on all. Okay, remember this point. Okay, so as per the chairman, online MPET examination conduction committee, Sant Gadge Baba, Amravati University, Amravati. So these are the instructions regarding that MPET examination 2021. So we'll see the what important dates and what deadlines regarding that examination. So this is the home page. So your application starts are from 1st of September 2021 and the last date of what application or filling of application form is the 25th of September 2021. We'll see the what information again. So this complete GR is given on that same website or on the PhD cell department. So must go through the directions of what PhD. So everything is given, what type of the pattern, what type of what the questions. Okay, so how many sections, how many marks are there, so all types of what information regarding that examinations are given in that PDF form, and the PDF form is available on that Google on that website. Okay, on that Google particularly, and in that SGBAU PhD cell. So everyone, so those who are applying for that examination, though they should go through that website, go through that PDF, read the instructions, all the informations are regarding the MPET examinations are given to you. Okay, so don't forget to read this. Okay, and after that you will get idea about the examination which is conducted by that university. Okay, this exam is every year conducted by that same university. Okay, so and now important is what there are pattern. So this exam includes two section. Section A is particularly for general aptitude. In that we have logical reasoning, numerical ability, and etc. All these are there. Scientific awareness, one can say general knowledge, etc. And in part B particularly, or section B, in that section B now, so we have subjective type of what questions are there. So again there are 50 multiple choice questions in section A as well as section B now. So for section B now, or course section B now particularly, your syllabus is based on that MSc, MA, MCom or your PG degree, one can say, and you require the 50% mark should be there for qualifying this exam. The duration for this examination is 90 minutes, that is 45 minutes for section A and 45 minutes for the section B now. Okay, so in that in that way the paper distribution is there now. So and these are all the regarding information for MPET. Okay, back to the home page. Fee structure is given, already we mentioned. The open category 1200 rupees, for reserve category includes all this reserve, there are 700 rupees for the reserve. And you can contact administrative contact for PhD cell, assistant registrar and superintendent of PhD cell. The numbers are given. Okay, if anything has happened, so you can contact with the PhD cell. Now the most important is what after that all these instructions, and the next part is what filling of application form. So we have to sign in, and before that sign in you should register yourself. If you are new user, you must be registered, and then log in through the required credential like your email or username and password. After that login, so you will see the home page of your online application form. The required documents are required, the instructions are given, and then after that you can start your fill the form. Okay, if in case of your if you in case of a second time login, if you forget the password, so then you can have the option that is forgot password. Then you can change your password as per your convenience and you can fill the form. Okay, so again read the instruction carefully and fill the application form. Stay safe, stay connected with us. Thank you so much for watching this video.